Hello everyone. This is a demonstration of a non-fungible token enabled resource trading marketplace which is specially designed for 6G network slicing. Now let's see what motivates us to do the research. The evolution from 5G to 6G networks brings advanced applications and services, which highlights the importance of network slicing for efficient resource management. Hence, opportunities in resource sharing emerge between CSPs, NSPs, MNOs, InPs, and emerging players. However, still there are challenges in open marketplaces, such as trustworthiness issues, complex orchestration, lack of accountability and transparency, and also these traceability problems. Hence, to address all these challenges, this demands a next generation network resource management system. In such situation, blockchain technology comes in handy to maintain trustworthy interaction, automate negotiations, and also to provide immutable record keeping. Further, to advance blockchain driven marketplace solution, researchers have begun integrating NFT techniques. In the previous work, NFTs were used to represent network slices, which improves auditability and transparency. However, there are some limitations because it lacks flexibility and granularity, and also it has limited ownership tracking. Further, it hinders the dynamic configuration. Hence, there's a clear demand for an NFT based resource marketplace for 6G network slicing, which resolves all these challenges. In the proposed architecture, we represent individual network resources as NFTs instead of network slices as in state of the art proposals. And this is the first study to represent resources as NFTs within the context of network slicing. And each of these NFT contains metadata, including specification of the resource, performance metric, ownership information. And our proposed architecture identifies four main entities: resource providers, resource consumers, and external entities, and the blockchain based components. And these components are responsible for registration, brokering, trust management, and billing. And we demonstrate the core functionality of our proposed resource trading marketplace using this demo setup. At the center, we have hard-hat Ethereum blockchain, which act as the foundation for managing all the transaction. And there are three main smart contracts running on the blockchain. One is NFT broker smart contract, the other is seller lifecycle manager smart contract, and the other one is the billing manager smart contract. And on the left, we have resource providers who use the marketplace tab to publish their resource offers, and these offers are stored on the as metadata on Pinata IPFS. And on the right, we have resource consumers who also interact with the marketplace tab to submit their resource request and also purchase these NFTs which are representing their resources. And this sequence of operations will be showcased in our demonstration, such as request submission, offer evaluation, NFT minting, NFT purchase, and ownership transfer. Next, let's go through the demonstration. Here we have a custom designed marketplace decentralized application where we simulate interactions between resource providers and resource consumers. As you can see here, we have three browser windows that act as three different blockchain nodes connected to the same Ethereum network, which is running locally in the background. We are going to use one node as resource consumer, while the other two will act as resource providers. So to get started, let's connect every node to their respective wallets. And we use MetaMask wallet in our application. So once connected, we can see the address of each node. The process starts when this resource consumer submits a resource request through their interface. Please note that these parameters we use here are only for the demonstration purposes and they can be tailored for specific use cases. So once this request is submitted with these required parameters, it becomes visible on provider's interface. And also you can see the address of the requester. So now the providers can respond to the request and send a tailored offer by clicking send offer. Then on the consumer side, the offers from both providers are listed as you can see here. The consumer then has the option to make use of our proposed evaluation method to find the best offer by clicking the evaluate. So here the green denotes the best offer and the red denotes the worst offer. They are ranked according to our proposed algorithm. However, the consumer can freely choose which offer to proceed with and then buy it. So the system will automatically deduct the correct amount from the consumer's wallet and a token will be minted. And it is transferred to the consumer, which can be viewed under the own tokens tab. So this act as a proof of ownership for the purchased resource. So now the NFT is also visible in the wallet. The token metadata will be stored off chain on the IPFS with the token ID as its file name. So this file essentially contains the details of the agreement which can be modified based on the use case. So in a practical application, the token will be released automatically after the agreement ends. But for this, we demonstrate it manually by clicking the release token button. Now the token is no longer owned by the consumer and now it is transferred back to the provider. As you can see now under the provider's release tokens tab. So this concludes the purchase cycle of a resource. As you saw this demo highlights the core functions of our system, mainly showcasing the interactions between resource consumer and providers through our NFT-enabled resource marketplace. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at nisita.veerasinghe@allwave5. Thank you.